Hi, I'm Teryn and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new, I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and life content. If that interests you, please be sure to check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe. If you haven't watched my latest video, I am moving. So I am in the process of getting rid of things, donating things, purging things basically, and then going through the process of consolidating, packing, all of that in order to get me to where I need to go. So I wanted to vlog that, and I am starting off with what I'm calling the purge, which is basically me getting rid of things. So I've already started my decluttering process, but now I'm at the point where I am choosing to donate things, throw things out, take them with me and whatnot. So I kind of wanted to take you guys through that process of me in this part one of my moving vlog. Here's Maverick. He's with me for moral support. He's probably not going to help me move. He's pretty not into labor. One thing that I've learned is just to get rid of things that no longer serve you. And I've moved several times, and what I messed up in doing is instead of getting rid of things as I move, I just pretty much take everything with me instead of sorting out. Sometimes I move in a rush, or I just didn't have time to sort things out. For instance, like when I would leave college and whatnot, I just didn't have a lot of time. It was a tight turnaround. So yeah, so going through these things, like for instance, this is when I used to have red hair. That was my red hair era. This is my blonde hair era. And I have not had color in my hair for a really long time. So I can definitely get rid of these. These are definitely old, expired. Definitely go through old products and whatnot and get rid of them. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to take this trash can, open it on up, get a trash bag, and that way I will move whatever I don't want into the bin because these products are expired and I should not and I will not donate them to anyone. This sunscreen definitely expired.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say.
This is a root relief by Cantu, an apple cider vinegar root relief and peppermint oil. I actually remember buying this. It's probably when I was either wearing like braids or sew-ins or something, and it's obviously expired now and I don't have a use for that, but it's just going in the trash. Honestly, while this is very therapeutic, I love getting rid of things. I don't want to be a hoarder, and I don't want to hold on to things that I don't necessarily need or don't serve me anymore. But as I'm doing this, I'm definitely realizing that I can be pretty wasteful, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate to that. I have a lot of products that are half full, all the way full, and I clearly didn't like them or something, and I'm like, I could have either returned this or given it to someone or donated it. And honestly, I should have gotten rid of these things a long time ago. But it definitely shows me how much I have consumed and purchased and haven't used and money wasted, and that a lot of this is really just a waste, and I'm kind of ashamed of myself.
Don't slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again.
I also have a ton of clothes that I'm getting rid of, and I'm so confused as to what to do with them. I take really great care of my clothes, and what I'm learning is that a lot of shelters and women's organizations, they just have an influence of it. I think clothes are so cheap now and able to be consumed in large quantities that a lot of donation services are overwhelmed. Okay, so I am now in bathroom number 2. This is my guest bathroom, and I also call it Maverick's bathroom. So right now I'm going through like products that I have in like the drawers and just like old things that I've used. You might see some like boxes that I end up throwing away, but some of that is just because I try to make sure that I have B-roll while I'm recording and editing these videos, and it looks a mess. It's honestly the messiest it's looked in a while. A lot of stuff in this bathroom are things that I currently use. It's definitely tidied up once I have like people over, but this is usually where I come to like do my makeup in here. So a lot of the stuff in here are things that I actually use. The real tea would be in my personal bathroom. So just like going ahead and getting rid of stuff like this. That, these old like sponges.
Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah. What you doing to me? Tell him no, 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 no. Tell him no, 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 no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs. You've been feeling guilty for so long. Baby, they're not friends, they are enemies. Don't you tell them yes, tell them get lost. Cause every time you go and ask for help, they say sorry, but I'm busy. So you end up doing it yourself.
So like I mentioned in this bathroom, like I have a few products that I don't currently use. I would probably donate these. I have some other hair care products like some mild organic stuff that I'll probably donate because I don't really use anymore. Or I might honestly use these on like wigs that I have because I kind of want to get into wigs. So I think what I'm going to do is just like start packing up this bathroom, because even just looking into the drawers, a lot of the stuff underneath here, like things that I'm not getting rid of. So this will be a good place to start, because some of these products are just things that I'm waiting to use, if that makes sense, like not hoarding them. So my personal bathroom is definitely some mess. Like there's plenty of things that I can get rid of. So let's get started. I have some really old makeup that I can go through. Let's see. I have this caboodle. Let's see. Oh, child. Basically everything in here can go straight to the trash. Like this is awful. Like I clearly have not really touched this in a really long time, so this will be really interesting to go through. There's like a baggage claim thing in here. Okay. Hello. So over the weekend, I set aside some clothes that I definitely don't want anymore. They're clothes that I'm donating. I thought about going through ThredUp to do their donation plan, and there's also an option for you to have your clothes sold and earn like a small profit or larger depending on the quality of your clothes. But I'm just going to donate them to a local organization. It's called My Sister's House. South Carolina, if you don't know, has one of the highest rates of domestic violence. And My Sister's House provides aid to victims and survivors. So I'm going to be putting my clothes into bags. I had a lot of them in boxes, but now I'm just going to put them in bags because that is how they recommend that you donate them and place them into the bin. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. And I'm sure that as I start to actually pack things up, I might have even more clothes to donate. So this is going to be like the first part of like the purging from my home. Okay, so I got some large trash bags. I use these to dump out my products, and I'm going to be using them to put the clothes in to donate. So for those of you who like to know what Maverick is up to, this is what he's up to. He is just kind of chilling in what I like to call his pouch. And I'm just inspecting the clothes to make sure there's not a lot of wear and tear. I take pretty good care of my clothes, so that's typically not an issue. But if there is, I obviously don't want to donate them. It's the same rules when you play, when you know that's not the case. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever. As blue as the sky above you. It's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. As blue as the sky above you. It's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, and be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. 'Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, 'cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time with you. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time with you. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I am starting to vlog and I welcome any and all constructive criticism and feedback. This video was definitely on the longer side, but this is just kind of taking you through what I'm going through in life right now. What are your tips for moving and packing? I would love to know, so please comment them. As always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.